Alright, the next central tendency we're going to do is the median. It's this point in the data that divides it into two groups with the same number of data points in each one. If you have an even number of data, that means that you're going to have a median that is not a data point, and if you have an odd number, then it will be a data point. So the first thing we need to do is to sort. Okay, so we're going to do that in ascending order. So let's do that. We have 8, 10, 12, 15, 16, 17, 20, 22, 23, 25, and 30. Okay, double check. There should be 13. We used this data before for the mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, now, one way that people do it is they count in for the middle. I want to do it a slightly different way because I want to generalize this to percentiles later. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to figure out how far just to count. Okay, and so we're going to do it like this. We're going to say C for count. And we take how many data points there are and divide by 2. Now there's going to be two choices. If it's an integer, the result here, you're going to count to the whatever that number is and go one bigger and then divide by 2. If it's not an integer, then you're just going to round up. We'll use this symbol for round up and just use whatever that is when you count over. Alright, so let's try this. We have our count is 13 divided by 2, which is 6.5. That's not an integer, so we round up to 7. Okay, so we count over to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right there, that's our median. Now if we check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are 6 data points in each one. We have the median for an odd number of data. Let's do one more with an even number of data. I've already sorted it, so you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's use our little counting method that we created above. And we take 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Alright, so our median is we're going to take the 4th one and add it to the 5th one and divide them by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's that one, and 5 is that one. So we take 10 plus 12 divided by 2. That's 22 divided by 2, which is 11. And that will be our median. So halfway divides it into two groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that that's the median for even data.